Production of sound. Students, we know that sound is a sensation or a feeling that we hear. Sound is produced with a vibrating object. The motion of materials or objects causes vibrations. Vibration means a kind of rapid to and fro motion of an object. Let us look at some examples of how certain sounds are produced. Human voice. The sound of the human voice is produced due to vibrations in the vocal cords. Animal sound. When a bird flaps its wings, a sound is produced. Bees buzz as they fly because of the rapid movement of their wings. Their wings make the air vibrate, producing a buzzing sound. Musical sounds. Musical instruments produce many different sounds in various ways. Some instruments need to be struck by an object in order to produce a sound, while some instruments, such as a harp or a violin, produce sounds when one or more of their strings are plucked, causing them to vibrate. Propagation of sound. For sound to be generated and heard, it must have three things. They are a source, a medium through which to pass, and a receiver. Let us assume the source is the speaker's voice. The medium through which it is transmitted is air, and the receiver is the listener's ear. When a sound is generated by the speaker's speech, or when an object vibrates, it sets the particle of the medium around it vibrating. The particles do not travel all the way from the vibrating object to the ear. A particle of the medium in contact with the vibrating object is first displaced from its equilibrium position. It then exerts a force on the adjacent particle, which gets displaced from its position of rest. After displacing the adjacent particle, the first particle comes back to its original position. This process continues in the medium till the sound reaches your ear. During propagation of sound in a medium, the particles of the medium do not move forward themselves, but the disturbance is carried forward. So, sound waves are characterized by the motion of particles in the medium and are called mechanical waves. Can you tell the most common medium of sound? Air is the most common medium through which sound travels. When a vibrating object moves forward, it pushes and compresses the air in front of it, creating a region of high pressure. This region is called a compression. And when the vibrating object moves backwards, it creates a region of low pressure called rarefaction. The compressions are regions of high air pressure, while the rarefactions are regions of low air pressure. Look at this image. It shows a sound wave created by a tuning fork and propagated through the air in an open tube. These are the regions of compression, and these are the regions of rarefaction.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.